What? Do I hear a winner? I may be able to hear it, but I doubt you can, because these are Talent's Silent Disco headphones, and one of you are going to be getting a whole kit for free by the end of this video. Stay tuned. Now, before we announce the winner, let's talk about how all of you are already winners, because Goldwood speakers are 20% off all month. Goldwood Sound manufactures US designed loudspeaker components for home audio, pro audio, and mobile sound applications. You're sure to find a Goldwood speaker that meets or exceeds your expectations. There's something for every use. Now, if you're looking for even more of a deal, you need to check out our clearance center where you can find low prices and factory buyouts. Right now, the clearance center is clearing out so you can clean up. That means everything there is somewhere between 20 and 70% off. Now that's a deal. New item in stock! New item in stock! Dayton Audio has just released a new line of Dayton Audio amplifiers and preamps that feature the popular ADAU 1701 DSP built right into them. Now your portable DIY speaker projects can gain the power of DSP. Make sure to visit our website to learn more about the new products and how you can incorporate them into your own work. All right, everyone. So let's go ahead and announce the winner of the Parts Express December giveaway. Now, this winner will receive a whole kit of 10 Silent Disco headphones and 2 transmitters from Talent, a $675 value. Now, without further ado, congratulations, Brian Hunsinger from Selinsgrove, Pennsylvania. We'll be in touch soon, and for everyone else, there's always next month. We'll see you then.